Hey guys, what's up? Hola, ¿cómo están? I hope you guys are doing great today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching me again. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this gorgeous soft pink makeup look. I think this is perfect for a wedding. I mean, it's so beautiful, so girly, so classy, and just so soft. I mean, I freaking love it, you guys. Before I get started, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, you guys, so I can just keep uploading. That just motivates me every time you guys watch my videos, you guys comment, you guys subscribe. On my girl, they like me, they want to see more. So help me out, motivate me, push me, girl. I need it because it's so freaking hard. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's jump right into this look. I am using the Revlon Wonder Woman palette, and I'm starting out with a little bit of tape in that pink shadow that I showed you guys. This look is super easy, you guys, super simple. So I'm applying that pink shadow all over my crease in swiping motions. And good thing about this palette, it did not stain my eyes, girl. It is so hard to remove eyeshadow from your eyes when it stains. Taking that gorgeous brown and applying it on my crease and also on my outer edge just to smoke it out, define it. You guys know the drill, but it is super simple, you guys, so just keep on swiping to blend the colors together. Then I'm taking this gorgeous beige color with a little bit of shimmer. You can go ahead and add some concealer, but I just wanted to do it really easy, so I am just swiping that beautiful shadow all over my lid. Taking that brown shadow and adding it on my lash line to create a wing liner. Taking off that tape, make sure you do it slowly. I'm adding that pink shadow on the bottom and smoking it out with the same brown shadow that I was showing you guys, just really thin, just to make everything look nice and balanced. Pinking it out on the inner corners. I could have done this with the brown shadow, but I'm just doing it with a liquid liner, which is brown. Then I'm taking that Bang mascara by Benefit, and this is the little version, which I love, anything mini. So I love this mascara. It actually really works. It makes my lashes look longer, and it just like separates them. Then I'm taking right here that Wonder Woman highlight. So I wanted a little bit of more pop to this, so and also to make it look wet, so I wanted to try that on my lid. Then I'm taking the Ceramidin liquid toner, and it's a moisturizer and a toner at the same time. You guys make sure that you let it air dry if you guys haven't tried this. I really like this actually, and the packaging is freaking cute. Then I'm taking the Wet n Wild foundation. I mean, you guys already know, you guys need to get this foundation. It's super good, you guys. So I'm just taking it, blending it throughout my face and neck, then taking that Stay Naked concealer and applying it on the bottom just to make everything brighten, and I'm doing it in two shades brighten than my skin tone. Every time I do 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, I always take my time to blend it because you can tell where you have the harsh line. I'm taking that Airspun loose powder, which I recommend. I really recommend this. Making sure that it sinks into my skin and applying it all over my face, girl. Right here, I'm taking the Thive Cosmetics bronzer. I freaking love this bronzer, you guys. I'm going to take it all over my face, and it looks just really natural, as you guys can see. The Covergirl has a darker foundation that I'm going to use that as to just contour my face as well, but it's just going to define my face a bit more. So this one I use it to contour. So I'm going to be applying this Fit Glow blush palette, which are really gorgeous, so just to give me, you know, my face some color. Then I'm taking the Pop Beauty spray in Rimmel London beauty sponge to blend everything. I'm taking a lip liner in Revlon lipstick. The lip liner is in Coffee, and the lipstick is in Untold Stories. Right here I'm using the Revlon highlighter. Girl, this thing is sticky, so use a little bit, but the outcome is so gorgeous. It looks so natural. So I hope you guys love this look. I just feel like it even looks good with this yellow shirt. I mean, doesn't it look good? It just, I don't know, it just like combines really well. Please don't forget to leave me your comments down below. I am really liking this palette. When I first seen it, I'm like, because you know me, I'm not that much of a color person. But then I'm like, it has neutrals, so it got me. It pulled me in. Whenever it has neutrals and there's colors, I'm like, okay, I'll give you a try. So Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave your comments down below, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.